look at example number 2 of real numbers. Okay, so it says find the HCF and LCM of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. So you know what is prime factorization method, isn't it? Given a composite number, you will have to express the composite number in terms or as product of prime numbers. So say 6 and 20. So either I can take separately LCM 6 and 20. So when I take separately LCM of 6 and 20, what do I get? So it is 2 times 3 and 3 times 1. So 20 is 2 times 10, 2 times 5, 5 times 1. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3 or 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. Either ways both are correct. 20 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 5 power 1. So which is 2 square into 5 power 1. Now, if I have to find out the HCF of 6, 20 of the two numbers, okay? So what is it? So first I have to see what is common among the two, okay? So 2 is common. So here 2 into 3 and here 2 square into 5. So 2 is common. 5 is not common, so I do not write 5 or 3. So I have to write the lowest power of 2, right? So here here it is 2 power 1 and here it is 2 power 2. So which is lowest? 2 power 1. So therefore 2 power 1, which is equal to 2. Then is LCM of 6 and 20. Again I'll have to find what is common among the two. Again 2 is common. But this time I'm not going to take the lowest power. Okay? Because it's the LCM. So I need the highest power. So among the two, 2 square is the highest into the whatever is left of 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. I will write it here. So therefore it becomes 4 into 3 into 5, which is 4 3 12, 12 5 16. So therefore LCM of 6, 20 is equal to 60 and HCF of 6, 20 is equal to 2. Let us solve example number 3 of real numbers. Find the HCF of 96 and 404 and hence find their LCM. Right. So 96 and 404. Now here, since the last digit is even number, you can start with 2, right? So 2 4s are 8 and 1 here 8. And then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, and then 3 1s are. Right? Now 404. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4. And again it is divisible by 2. So therefore 2 1s are 2, 0 here and 2 1s are 2. Now 101. So 101 is not divisible by other than 101 and 1, which means it's a prime number. So therefore 101 into 1. I hope it is clear till here. So now 96 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 power 1. Okay. So which is 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. Now 404 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 101, which is 2 square into 101. Right. So the question says that we have to find the LCM of 96, 404. So the HCF will be what? The LCF will be the common factor among the two and the lowest degree, right? So now the common factor is 2 here. 3 is not common and 101 is not common. And hence I put 2 here. Now what is the lowest degree, lowest power of 2? It is 2 square. So therefore HCF is 4. Then what is LCM? LCM of 96, 404 is, among the two, 2 is common again and the highest power of 2 is 5 and the left out is 3 into 101. So therefore 2 power 5 is 32, which means 2 you multiply 5 times into 3 into 101. So this gives you what? 96 into 101, which is 9696. So hence LCM of 96, 404 is 969. Let us solve example number 4. Find the HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120 by prime factorization method. So 6, 72, 120. Right. So this is 2 times 3 and this is 3 times 1. And here also, since the last digit is even number, let us go with 2. 2 3s are 6 and 1 here, 3 6 are 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 8, 2 9s are 18, and then 3 3s are 3 1s are. And 120, 2 60s are 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 15, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. So now let us express as product of the prime number. So 6 can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. 72 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is 2 power 3 or 2 cube into 3 square. Okay. 120 can be expressed as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 equal to 2 cube into 3 into 5. So now what will be the HCF? So there are 3 numbers, right? So we'll have to write 6, 72, 120. So HCF of all the 3. So what is common among the 3? 2 is common, right? And 3 is common. So you put into sign, put 3. 5 is common, 5 isn't common. So therefore I write 2 and 3. Okay. Now what is the least power of 2? Here it is 1, here it is 3, and here it is again 3. So therefore 2 power 1. Now 3. The least power of 3. Here it is 1, here it is 2, and here it is 1. So therefore the least power of 3 is 1. So therefore 2 into 3 will be 6. Then LCM of 6, 72, 120 will be equal to, again 2 and 3 are common. Clear? And the highest power of 2 is cube into, and the highest power of 3 is a square into, and 5 is left out. 5 is anyways the power 1. Okay. Now 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied 3 times. So which is 8. 8 into 3 square is 9 into 5. So 8 9s are 72. So 72 into 5 is how much? 72 into 5, which is 360. So therefore LCM of 672, 120 is equal to 360. That's all about example number 4.